Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining me, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, leave me a like on it. So what we're actually doing today is we are going through a step-by-step training series that I've put together here on YouTube for people looking to get started with affiliate marketing. This is a beginner-friendly training. It's super easy to use, and you guys are kind of landing in the middle of it right now, but I want to show you the potential here with the platform that we're using. If you look right here, this is my last 2 weeks. What I've been able to bring in from this. So if you can see up here the date in the top right, it says December 23rd to January 6th. I can just refresh that for you, and that'll pull that up again. There you go, 16,000 over the last 2 weeks. We can go to the last year, but I actually started in July, but let's go to the last 30 days so you can see that I'm not, that this is just, what we're doing is building recurring income. So I get this every single month, right? So here's the last 30 days, $31,000, and we'll go to the last year. Well, part of the last year, it's the last 6 months because that's as far back as I can go. That's when I started. So we'll go to July till today. And sorry, my throat's a little sore, callous today, but here you go. You can see right here I started July 3rd, and you can see how my sales slowly started to ramp up. That's using this exact method that we're going over in this training. So again, if this is your first time here, your first time joining me on this series, I want you guys to head down to the video description. The video description is just underneath this video. You're gonna see a link there that says click here to get started. You guys can get started with that link, but what you need to do first is head over to the very first video in this series. That first video is gonna walk you through the setup process. It's gonna show you exactly how to get started with this, what we're using to do this, and this is a very easy method. I mean, it takes 10 to 15 minutes per day. Actually, these videos that you're gonna be watching every day are gonna be about 10 minutes long. Today we're on day 10, so again, you are kind of stuck in the middle of the series. If you guys want to watch this, you can go ahead and do that, but what I suggest you do is go to the very beginning of this playlist. There'll be a link in the video description. You guys can click on that link, go to the beginning, start there, watch what we're doing here. Basically, we're using a system along with this affiliate program. We're going to use a system that allows us to send emails out every day, just one email a day, to a certain amount of leads. So they actually give us the leads that we're sending to every day. These are qualified leads, people looking to get started in this same business. So this works really, really well, especially over time. You can see here by looking at when I started, how it was kind of sporadic a little bit here and there, but then it started to ramp up. You can see how it started getting higher and higher and thicker and more blue, all the way up to where we're at now, which is just over $30,000 per month. So this is kind of what you can expect. The first month or two might be a little slow, but as you start getting into month 3, 4, 5, 6, this is when things really start to shine, okay? So jump in. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime, and I'll try to help you out. That being said, I'm going to jump into the training now. So again, this is where we're going to jump into. We're going to jump into our MLGS account. This is what we're going to be using to do our emails, right? So let's just go up here to member login. Doesn't matter which one you choose. Hopefully you have 5 accounts. You can go over here to your mailing system, and then let's jump into the fun part here, the email. So this is the email that I set up for you today. You can see here that it says huge income with no selling. So that's kind of a cool title. I think that people are really going to like that. I think they're going to see value in this. What we're trying to do, by the way, with these emails, especially the subject line, is intrigue somebody. We want somebody to see this and be like, oh yeah, okay, cool. Huge income, but I don't have to sell anything. Sounds good, because the online world is all about selling, right? So this is pretty cool. Then you can see the body here says, hey, first name, do you need to make more money to pay your bills, but you don't like to sell? If so, this will help you out. That's where our first link's going to be. This site will show you exactly how to get a guaranteed $3,000+ per month without selling or having to ever pick up the phone. Don't waste your time. Get into the action today. Click here for instant access. Talk soon, and your name. Okay, so we got this ready to go. Let's just jump over here to our links. Go down here to the all-in-one $25 business. Copy that link. That's our affiliate link, if you remember. Okay, We're gonna go back up here. We're gonna highlight this line of text, right click it, click insert link, paste in our link, click apply. Then we're gonna also add it to this one right here where it says click here. Right click, insert link, paste it in, click apply. So again, I like to use a Google document here. If you guys need one, just go to docs.google.com and you guys can do that. But say you can't access Docs or something for some reason or whatever, just pause this video right here. You can copy this all down and then just take it and apply it directly into your mailing system here, okay? So we're gonna go over here to our email. We're gonna copy our body of our email. Back over here to the mailing system. Hold down Control, press V. There it is, it's pasted in. Let's go get our subject line. Copy that. Back over to the mailing system. Paste it in. And let's start at the top. Select all of our leads. Make sure our subject line's filled out. Scroll down, make sure the body of our email is in and it has the links in it that we're going to be sending, right? Now, again, you guys can add these links directly in here as well. Like if I was to highlight this and just click this link button, you can see the link that it's sending it to, which is our Samcar link, right? It's just easier for me to use a Google document and just copy and paste. Next, we're gonna click the perfect timing button, and down here in the bottom right down here is gonna be a send button. My system's not ready yet. We only get one email every 24 hours, if you remember. Mine's just not rebooted yet, so we're gonna click the send button there. Next, let's open up our next system because I hope that you guys are using more than one. Just go up here to the top, duplicate. You really want to use 5 of these if you can, or at least work your way up to 5. So as you slowly start making money, try to reinvest into 5 of these accounts minimum. I have people using 10. I own over 25 of these accounts myself, but I use 5 for each platform that I work with. Okay, we're gonna just log out of this one that we just duplicated. Log back in with our second email, whichever one, doesn't matter. Click on mailing system, select all our leads, go back over to our first system. We might as well just copy the body from this. Back over to this system. Let's paste it in, Control V to paste it. Back over here to the original system that we opened first. We're gonna copy that. Back over to this one. Paste it in the subject line. Let's start at the top. Make sure we've selected our leads, added our subject line, added the body of the email, and it has our links in it. Click on perfect timing and then click the send button. It's going to be right here. That's going to be our send button. Sorry, can't even draw a square that well. Anyway, click that and you're good to go. So this video's again, we're trying to keep these below 10 minutes, so I'm at just over 8 minutes. You guys, if you guys ever have any questions or anything like that, just feel free to reach out to me. This is going to, I know some of you already are doing really well, but again, we're only 10 days in here. So we want to really push through this for the next 3 months. Make a commitment to yourself. Give yourself 3 months. You're starting something new. This is super easy to do. I'm not asking too much of you. I'm literally asking for 10 minutes of your day every day. You know, maybe 15 minutes if some of you are slow with typing and whatever else. And that's it. So just give yourself some time to get into the groove of this. Let's build this into something great over this next year. You know, we just entered the new year, 2023. Give yourself this year to make a difference, and slowly you're going to start seeing that difference play out right in front of your eyes. Okay. That being said, thanks a lot for watching. If you guys have any questions, reach out. If you got anything out of this video, leave me a like on it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever the next video drops. Thanks.